Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. My name is Ananya Kannan and I am very proud to say that I am a Bharadwajan. Not a student of Bharadwaj, but I am a Bharadwajan. And many congratulations to Bharadwaj on completing 15 years. Personally, I have been associated with Bharadwaj for the past 2 years. I started classes in May 2018 and I finished my CA intermediate exam in 2019. That 1 year, those classes and the 1 year since up till now, I feel like I am a part of the family. No student who joins Bharadwaj is just a mere student of Bharadwaj. They become a part of the family. The teachers already there, Vatsan sir, Deepika ma'am, Charanya ma'am, DJ sir, all of them are already a family. PC sir, they're all already a family, and each student who goes gets accepted into the warm embrace of the family that Bharadwaj is. It's not just words that I'm saying it's a family, because I have felt it, I'm able to express it. See, it's not that every stone can become a sculpture and every chisel has the ability to make a stone into a beautiful sculpture. There is a saying in Tamil, kuttu pattalum modara kayyala kuttu padanum. So I think I am one of the fortunate ones, and Bharadwaj has made me what I am. It's not a complete journey, but I am in the right direction, I feel, ever since I joined Bharadwaj. And I am hoping to continue being associated with Bharadwaj, and Bharadwaj will still have a big impact on my life. And as Vatsan sir said, when this 15 turns into 51, I would still love to be a part of Bharadwaj. What exactly do I mean when I say Bharadwaj is like a family to me? It's the smallest things. When Vatsan sir starts classes at 6:30, and even if you are remotely sleepy, you see him start taking the classes, jumping on the balls of his feet with his booming voice, and he'll just wake you up and he'll make you interested in the subject. And Charanya ma'am, the way she introduced law to us, that made law my most favorite subject, and her one of my most favorite teachers. Each person at Bharadwaj, each of the teachers, be it Deepika ma'am, when Deepika ma'am takes a class and it starts to get boring, or if the subject starts to get boring, she will give us a small story of something that happened during her classes with Vatsan sir, and that will crack us up. And if you need any sort of guidance, each one of the teachers at Bharadwaj have come down to my level to explain what they think should be done, and I'm forever grateful to the love the teachers showed me more than the subject they taught me. Because tax or whatever, it continues, changes each year, the subject changes, the entire study, the subject itself will change, but how I feel about the subject, how I understand the topics, it all matters, and it all matters because of the teachers. So each one of the teachers, like DJ sir, has been an ever motivating person. Anytime I feel like this subject it's too difficult, I'll write one group later, or I'll write both groups after 1 year. I have expressed that to him, and he would say that no, you can do it now, and you have to do it now. That's it. So net, all the teachers have been a great help to me, and the teachers are what make Bharadwaj, and I'm thankful to them. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
I completed my CA Foundation and now pursuing CA Inter at Bharadwaj. These 2 years in Bharadwaj has been a wonderful experience for me. I never thought doing a professional course would be this much fun and easy. Every faculty here is extremely friendly, approachable, and put their maximum possible efforts to make our dream come true. Bharadwaj is very unique in many ways. We just do not share some student-teacher relationship here. It's more than that. We are family here. And the manner in which they approach the students, the way in which they teach and instill traditional values is simply great. Even during this time of Corona, they didn't just leave us all alone. They are pushing beyond the limits to reach us. I am feeling extremely proud to be part of this fraternity. I am and always be proud to be at Bharadwaj. Thank you.
Just like every student out of school has a confusion about which institute to join that would form a major part in shaping a career, I too had the confusions. It was a senior suggestion to take up Bharadwaj, and today I'm a proud senior recommending the same to all my juniors. It's not just about academics, but the bond between faculties is all bliss to watch. and I'm sure the principles I'm learning here, I would carry this throughout my life. It has been a great journey with Bharadwaj and I feel blessed to be a part of it. A sense of belongingness is deeply instilled automatically and I see it as the greatest strength. Just like it is facilitating myself and my friends to a very great extent, I wish Bharadwaj continues this for years and batches to come.
I joined Bharadwaj last year, aspiring to become a chartered accountant. I'm having a wonderful experience here. The faculties provide us with a friendly environment for learning. The application-oriented teaching encourages us to learn more and motivates us to achieve more. Most importantly, Bharadwaj upholds traditional values by conducting various cultural events like Navaratri, Vishnu Sahasranama Parayanam, etc. This makes Bharadwaj stand out. Proud to be a Bharadwaji.
CA Inter Panna Bharadwaj Institute. My first class was on the 10th of Feb 2019. I still remember it like it happened yesterday. Vatsan sir aniki create panna impact, the connection that he established with the entire class is something I can never forget. He made sure he treated every single student as his own friend. I think all of us at Bharadwaj will agree that Vatsan sir has been more than just a teacher to us. He made it possible for an entire class to understand accountancy and taxation in its full depth without using a projector. That is the kind of teacher that he is. Nama tax classes Mari, there is nothing which can be a better energy booster, which can give better good vibes. Our tax classes were simply the best. Thank you Vatsan sir for being you. DJ sir has always been and will always continue to be my biggest inspiration. You taught us how to work sincerely, put in our sincere efforts and how we'll be rewarded. Thank you DJ sir for that. Every faculty at Bharadwaj has always been extremely supportive and student friendly at every step of the way. I'm extremely grateful to have been a small part of this 15-year-long journey. Thank you.
Namaste. I've been a part of Bharadwaj family just for a few months, but I've met my lifetime teachers. The whole process of learning is made lovely and interesting. Teachers are always available for us and even take the role of a friend in guiding us. Even at this time of pandemic situation, we are able to have live lectures instead of recorded videos. I express my profound gratitude and I am proud to be a part of Bharadwaj family. Thank you.
First of all, a hearty congratulations to Vatsan sir and PC sir on Bharadwaj completing its 15-year journey. I joined Bharadwaj in 2019 and the past 1 year has just been amazing. Vatsan sir has been more of a friend to us and all teachers in Bharadwaj have been so motivating and supportive in helping us reach our goal. Waking up at 6:30 and coming to class has always been something we look forward to because the concept of learning along with having fun became a reality in Bharadwaj. Vatsan sir's tax classes were more than enough to lift up one's spirits. DJ sir, Deepika ma'am, Chandan sir, PC sir and all other teachers in Bharadwaj were simply the best we could have ever gotten. Wishing the Bharadwaj family all success in the forthcoming years and I'm so happy to have been a part of it. Thank you.
I'm a student of Bharadwaj Institute and actually I joined in this institute only a few weeks before. But in the short period of my experience itself, I can tell that the institute is not only focusing in equipping the students to carve their professional career, but also they always ensure that the students are in the right and correct path. I think 15 is just a number for them. That is, the institute had successfully completed the 15 years of fruitful journey. I think 15 is just a number for them because a lot more to go for my institute. And this is Arvina from my foundation level.
15th year step ஆகிற பரத்வாஜுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் என்னோட கிரேட் விஷஸ். ஃபவுண்டேஷன்லேருந்து நான் பரத்வாஜ் கூட தான் இருக்கேன். பட் ஃபவுண்டேஷன் கிளாஸஸோட என்னோட இன்டர் கிளாஸஸ் வந்து ரியல்லி இன்ட்ராக்டிவாக போச்சு. அதில் ஏன்னா ஃபவுண்டேஷன் ஷார்ட் பீரியட், ஸோ 4 months to 3 months தான் இருந்தது, 3 to 4 months தான் இருந்தது. ஸோ ரொம்ப ஷார்ட் பீரியட். பட் இன்டர் 8 months வேஸ்ட் பீரியட். டீச்சர்ஸ் கூட நல்லா இன்ட்ராக்ட் ஆகிறதுக்கு எங்களுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி கிடச்சிது. வசந்த் சாரும் சரி, சரண்யாமாவும் சரி, டிஜே சார் கூடயும் சரி, ஒரு பர்சனல் ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்பில் இருந்து ஒரு நல்ல டச்சில் வந்து எங்களுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு பேஸ் ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சு. வசந்த் சார்கிட்ட பற்றி நம்ம சொல்லவே வேணாம், ஹீஸ் அண்ட் டாக்ஸ் எக்ஸ்பர்ட், டாக்ஸ் கிங். சரண்யாமாவும் சரி, அவங்களோட பர்சனல் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸஸ், லேர்னிங் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸஸ் எல்லாமே எங்கள் கூட ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கிட்டாங்க. அண்ட் மோர் ஓவர் வந்து அவங்க வந்து என்னை திட்டுறது, அவங்க ஃபேஸ் வாஷ் பண்ணுவாங்க, போயிட்டு வான்னு சொல்லி அனுப்புறது எல்லாமே நாங்கள் வந்து ஒரு என்ஜாயாக இன்ட்ராக்டிவாக எங்களுக்கு போச்சு. Thanks for Bharadwaj for creating this opportunity and Bharadwaj or their service continue and I got to pay. Thank you.
Happy Happy 15th anniversary, Bharatwaj. Thank you, Bharatwaj, for always molding and guiding us. I would always be grateful and thankful for all the teachers there in Bharatwaj. Because of the teachers only, the Bharatwaj Institute is existing. Thank you for all the teachers for always creating amazing professionals and giving the society the best. Thank you, and I will always be grateful.
My journey with Bharatwaj Institute started in the year 2012. I was fresh out of school. I had joined for my CPT classes. I was this naive, immature kid. But the institute, over the course of the classes, molded me into the person that I am today. Today, I am a successful chartered accountant working for a reputed firm in Chennai. I have the institute to thank for the guidance that they have provided to me. My favorite memories of the institute, particularly one particular memory which I would like to say, is the Navaratri Golu time. The institute transforms itself during that particular period, and it provides a platform for all the students to showcase their talents. My heartiest congratulations to the institute on completing 15 years, and my best wishes for many more successful years ahead. I'll always be a proud Bharatwajan for life.